In the numerator, we have negative 2 plus 2, which gives us 0. So 0 times 6 over 2. 0 times any number gives us 0. And 0 divided by 2. And we know 0 divided by any number, it will be equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? So here in the numerator, we have to do this multiplication before this addition, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before addition. Okay, so first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 6 gives us 12. So negative 2 plus 12 over 2. Negative 2 plus 12 gives us just 10. So 10 over 2 gives us 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 5.